So student, here we have a question. If 8th term of AP is 31 and 15th term is 16 more than its 11th term, find the AP. Here two conditions are given us. First, the 8th term, as we know the general term that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In first case, an yani a8 is given us and a8 is equal to 31. Then we say that 15th term is 16 more than its 11th term. 15th term is yani a15. Second condition, a15 minus a 15th term 16 more than its 11th term, and the 11th term is a11 is equal to 16. ये दो conditions हमें दे रखी है. With the help of these two conditions, he said that find the AP. General terms का formula हम use करते हैं. सबसे पहले let the first term is A and common difference D. Now A8, we put the value here. A8 is equal to A, we not know, and 8 minus 1 or D, that is A plus 7D, or A8 कितना बेटा 31. It become equation 1. Now come to the second, A15. A15 means A plus 15 minus 1 into D minus A11. इसको हम ब्रैकेट में पुट कर देते हैं. A plus 11 minus 1 into D or is equal to 16. So simple. A plus 14D minus A plus minus 10D is equal to 16. बेटे A से A cancel. 14D minus 10D, 4D is equal to 16, and D is equal to 16 upon 4. 4 4 ja 16, D is equal to 4. Now put value of D in equation 1. Putting value of x, value of D in first. So if you put first D, so A plus 7 into 4 is equal to 31, and A is equal to 31 minus 28, or A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now A and D हमारे पास आ गया. He said that find the AP, और हमें मालूम है the required AP is क्या होगा बेटे? फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हमारे पास 4, सेकंड टर्म 4 प्लस फर्स्ट टर्म इज 3 प्लस 4 7, सेकंड टर्म 7 प्लस 4 11 प्लस 4 15, and 3 7 11 15, so on. It is our required AP. So this is the way to find the जर्नल टर्म्स के फॉर्मूले को हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, और आप इजीली ये याद रखेंगे कि an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस एन माइनस डी. जो भी टर्म हमें लेनी है, सपोज कीजिए कहीं पर हमें 9 टर्म लेनी है, तो वी कैन डायरेक्ट यूज a9 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 8d. कोई इतना ज्यादा इसको लॉन्ग करने का जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन डायरेक्ट राइट दैट a प्लस 8d and then solve it. Okay, so student, please like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.